Hey everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to show you how I've made this flip card. I have featured this before on the channel on a Tuesday and a Thursday. I like to keep those days free to show you cards using a die, so it's more of a die focus. So for those of you that like the dies to do all the work for you, Tuesdays and Thursdays are when I share those videos. Now flip cards, I have featured these ones before and I'll have that tutorial coming up now. And I also have shared how to make flip cards without the use of dies as well. So those tutorials will be shared and they'll be at the end of the video. So there's something for everybody. But today I'm going to show you the circle flip card using these very cute penguins. If you've not seen this kind of card before, this is a 5x7 size. This is how it looks when it's flat. And then when you open it, it will flip over and show the other side there. So we've got its penguining to look a lot like Christmas. And then when you flip it, have a nice Christmas. So you've got lots of spaces to write your message if you like it to be on this side or maybe here. I've actually got another panel on the back and that's where I'll be writing my message. Like I said, all fits into a 5x7 envelope. One pass dies through your machine and then your mats and layers all done for you. You've just got to choose your papers or your stamps that you're going to use. So it's a great one for any occasion and you'll see that in my other past video that I've done as well. But let's get started because it's super quick and I can show you how I've put this one all together. So these are the three sets. You've got the circle 5x7, the star 5x7 and the heart 5x7. So you will need a larger die machine to pass these ones all through because of the width of them. So like I said, I'm using the circle one today. So I've already gone ahead, cut everything, really quick and easy to put together, especially if you've got pattern papers, pre-stamped images, die cuts, things like that, then it's going to make it an even faster card. So you just want to pass the main die through here. This is a 240 GSM. I've got a bit of white pen there, but I'm going to cover that in a minute. So just run that one through and you'll see it will give you your score lines and your cut lines there. Okay, the center score line here, you want to fold that right in half and then fold this one back. And by doing that, it gives you your 5x7 card blank. And that's the same for the other ones as well. Like I said, I've got that other video where I show you these anyway, because I have, used them a few times now, but they're really nice and great for, like I said, quick cards. Then you get your mats and layers. So you've got your large one here for the right side and then also the left side. I mean, you can double this up as well and have a double flip. So you could cut this again, flip it around and then have this portion of the other piece stuck on top of it. And then you pull this one and then pull that one that way. But you'll see the two mats fit perfectly on top of each other. So cut those. So I have cut mine and I've stamped the very cute penguins all over. I love doing this. I actually spent the day just colouring loads of images and then just kind of choosing how I wanted them to look in terms of the colours, and it just makes it really easy then to colour future images if I want them stamped right onto the cardstock, or I've got the images ready to cut and use in other ways. But this is the pick up a penguin. It's very, very cute. So I've used, you've got the little one with the present, so he's coming down from the top, the one with the heart in his belly, I think that's my favourite, and then the one skating. And then on the front, so as it's in the envelope like this, it's going to have its penguining to look a lot like Christmas. So that one is going to be there. So that's how it will look when you take it out of the envelope, which I think looks really cute. So that's using the sentiment here and then the one in the sweater. So I'm going to stick all those down first and then I'll talk you through the other pieces. Okay, so they're all in place. You get a nice border. Now when you flip it, I think on some of the older ones I had this space for me to write my message, but I think instead I'm going to have more of the penguins. I actually end up using every penguin image on this card. This one here, have an ice Christmas, and that's going to go inside. Now in the set, I should mention that actually, you get these two circle dies. So you can see I've cut the white one using the largest die. I didn't use the smaller circle one. There is an additional set that you can buy for each of those, and they look like this. This is the one for the circles. It's the circle elements, then you've got the star elements and you've got the heart elements, and they have this larger circle, and that's what I used for the silver. So if you want that extra, you probably have a circle in your stash as well, but it was from that edition set there. So I'm going to stick that one on that side, and then you get these dies here which will cut your panels for the middle. And I've used silver mirrored card just to match the circle, but I've also just flipped it over and I've just scored at every 1/8 of an inch on my scoreboard and then flipped it over, and it just gives you that detail. It looks like corrugated metal You see that one's going to go there, and then that one there. So I'm going to stick those down. Okay, so that's all stuck down. And then for the back, that's where I'm going to have my space to write my message. So I've used the other penguin here with all the tangled lights on him. And I've just cut this one again and just flipped it over and then stamped on it, and you'll see it will fit in there perfectly. So if you do want to write a slightly bigger message, then you can do that. Otherwise, use the other side of the circle. And then to add a little bit of sparkle, because although I like the white space, I'm going to just fill a few of the areas with some silver stars. This is just one of those party mixes, and you sprinkle them on the tables. I'm just going to place them down first, decide where I want them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 9. Always like an odd number. There we go. So I'm going to stick those ones down, and then I'll add a couple more onto the back as well. So that's the finished card. You'll see it's pretty flat. It's going to go in a normal envelope. I have added some foam under that white circle, but you don't have to do that at all. I think they're really fun. I love these ones. Just quick and easy. Like I said, you don't have to do stamped and coloured images like I have. It could be nice pattern papers. You could have a big, number, someone's birthday or anniversary in the middle there as well. That would look really nice. And like I said, use that side for your sentiment or your message, or even have it written here as well. But I've said it many times before, I've got a thing about seeing someone's message. I like it to be either at the back or hidden somewhere, which is why I've added that panel there. So thank you as always for watching today. I will have all of the products that I've used linked in the description box below this video. Coming up now will also be the other video that I mentioned at the beginning, showing these ones, all 3 of them actually. And I'll have that coming up here along with my flip card where you don't need any dies as well. So you've got all of those there, and I would have had them linked along the video as well. Please give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed today, and consider subscribing if you haven't, and make sure you hit that notification bell, because that way you won't miss out on any future videos. Take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.